Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the tips and the trick how to remove unstuck tailgate in a MAZDA Tribute, and this is the MAZDA Tribute 2006, which actually belonging to the first generation MAZDA Tribute, but it can be applied to other MAZDA Tribute or other similar MAZDA car, or even some other cars if you want to try. But anyway, we want to go very detailed because we found that it's quite amazing to get this stuck tailgate open. The symptom is very obvious, that we open and lock the car by the remote control, or the door open and shut, but the tailgate doesn't respond. We use the button on the side, the driver's side, to lock and unlock the car, or the doors lock and unlock except the tailgate. And there's two levers at the back end of the tailgate to open it from outside. Nowhere it responds. And from the inside you can see like this, but actually after trying to read a lot of comment, a lot of instruction solution from other people, from other mechanics around the world for this model, we couldn't find exactly for this model, and we couldn't find exactly how to apply on it. So we try, and after a bit of good time thinking and trying, now we are happy to make this video. So it will definitely help anyone who has the same car model with a stuck tailgate, which I think back to 2005 Mazda made a recall to fix this tailgate before. So the symptom already clear, that the actuator on the back end, it might be the reason. We will see it why and how later on. The point is we want to open it in emergency case, and you know that this one has the glass at the back end, and we can open from inside, but it has the rear motor for the glass like this, and it already been locked here, so we cannot open that one. So for now it's stuck from the top down, two lock at the same time. That's amazing. And from the inside there's no kind of open hole for emergency access over there. There's nothing like that in this model. That surprised me. So what we do is, you see this, there was a cover over here for the trunk. We remove that one, we unscrew the thing, and we actually bring up the spare tire to the side here. We don't want to bring it outside because it's too heavy. So we have enough space to sit down here and look up there. We look at the bottom now, don't touch the bottom. What you have to do is, you need a little bit of few tools. At first, go for this plastic trim remover tool, and a second one would be helpful. So what you do is, this cover here is actually the glass actuator cover, and from here you can see that is the glass actuator cover, and it was here like this before. So it has few clips behind that you have seen here. Okay, so what we do is we just use the small plastic plier remover tool to slide around the edge and try to pop out that cover. Okay, then that would be quite good enough space to let this plastic go out. It's not easy. Okay, look at this, why it's not easy, because of this special design. You can see that this side part here, actually it stay before here and go over the edge of this lock mechanism on the body of the tailgate. So this part, the plastic top part here, was locking on this and that, around that, locking at the bottom. That is to design to make it stay firm on the back end, but it made it so hard to get it out. So make it easy by this way. You get the tool like this. Okay, put it inside here. Actually it was from here. Okay, it cover this place. So put this one inside like this, put it underneath and lift it up a bit, and after you can lift it up a little bit, you can use either one of this one sliding hard in the front, in the middle here, which actually this plastic will stay underneath the cover and stay on top of this metal base. And from here, what you do is you try to twist it on the side, which actually bring up the top plastic cover on the left. Okay, and then you try to use at the same time leave that plastic on that position, and at the same time use the second one right on the side here. Okay, and then you put a finger out here and push it out. Okay, so at the same time you push it hard and it will go out a little bit more. Okay, and at the same time remove this and slide on the side here, and do the same thing, slide hard in between this cover and the metal base, and then twist it to lift this one up a little bit, and then take a deep breath. Okay, take a deep breath. Left hand here, right hand here, pull it out. Okay, pull it firm and enough force, it will eventually come out like this, which right now it is enough space, you know, with a very stuck top end and stuck bottom. But at least now we see the whole mechanism inside, which you can see that is the door actuator thing, and the mechanism over here. Okay, so it's very stuck, and we will try to reach it and try to get it open. Okay, for now I believe that it would be something not easy. Okay, I haven't gone through how to open it, but I will make the second video for that one. But at least we will go to the point that we can assess the whole problem here now, and we will see what we should do with it. Okay, so see you on the next one soon.